Hey guys, are you tired of compromising when you travel to decide whether you're going to have another greasy takeout burger or go off to some other restaurant and pay for expensive food while you're traveling? Where you'd like to save a few bucks and even have some good home cooking when you arrive to your hotel room. Well, here at the Thrifty Traveler's Kitchen, that's a tongue twister, Thrifty Traveler's Kitchen, I'm going to show you some interesting meals that you can prepare ahead, take with you, and finish when you get back to your hotel room. Today, I'm going to show you two different recipes using frozen staples that you pick up at the Costco or the supermarket, throw them together in some vacuum seal bags, and take along some delicious meals that you can finish off in a rice cooker. How's that sound to you? Today's recipes are going to be chili lime cod using frozen cod fillets, and I also got a Japanese barbecue salmon that tastes really good, also going in the rice cooker using some wild pink salmon that I picked up at Costco. So sit back, watch the video, watch the recipes, comment, and let me know what you think. Also, if this is going to be an idea for you to help so this is going to be something that you can use, please like and subscribe, and I'm going to be showing you some more ideas down the road. Thanks. The first one I'm going to make is a chili lime cod recipe that I tried out earlier that I think works really well, and I hope you guys enjoy it and give it a try. So in this bowl here I have two cod fillets that I chopped into smaller pieces so that it'll fit inside the rice cooker once we pour it into there, and it is still frozen, and that's what I want. So let's make the quick sauce up for it here. So we're going to start with about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped green onions. With that, we'll add a teaspoon of finely minced ginger, and again a teaspoon of finely minced garlic. On that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of lime juice. I just use the concentrated stuff, or the stuff you can buy at the store. You can use fresh lime if you want. Even throw some lime zest in there. That'll be really good. And then we've got 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, Thai sweet chili sauce. And then I'm going to put in just a little drizzle of sesame oil. We'll mix that together. And we're going to pour that over top of our cod fillets. Mix those together so that those cod fillets, even though they're frozen, make sure that they're well covered in that sauce. I'm going to set this aside and let it marinate a little bit. And I'm going to get ready because we're also going to do a Japanese barbecue salmon dish for the rice cooker that I think you're going to enjoy. Next, we're going to make up the marinade for the salmon. So we're going to start with 2 cloves of minced garlic, about 1 teaspoon minced garlic. I have here some garlic scallion sauce, or ginger scallion sauce, I'm sorry. 1 tablespoonful, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Japanese barbecue sauce, and another drizzle of sesame oil, maybe half a teaspoon. Mix that one up, and we'll pour that over our frozen salmon fillet. together and make sure that salmon gets coated in there. And again, I cut the salmon into small enough pieces that a couple of them will fit into the small rice cooker once you get to the hotel room. What about you guys? Have you ever used a rice cooker to cook something in the hotel room? Do you take your meals with you when you travel on the road? I'd like to know. Why don't you leave some information in the comments? I'd like to read that. Let me know what you guys are up to. Okay, now that that's together, we'll get this ready to go into some vacuum bags. Let me just move this stuff out of the way. What I've done is I prepared some vacuum bags here with 2 compartments in them. So it's one big bag that I sealed down the middle to make 2 compartments. So in there we're going to pop, easier said than done. Let me grab some tongs. Pop in a couple slices of our salmon. Slippery little devils when they're frozen. Okay, now with the leftover sauce that we have in there, let's just pour that in evenly with each portion. Now these are portions for 1. So it's a small little rice cooker that my partner uses. And he's able to put these together, dump them into the rice cooker, and make his meal. So now, on the other half, we're going to put white rice. This is just jasmine rice. Grab us a measure cup here. We're going to put in 1/2 cup of white jasmine rice. No, I'm not washing it. You don't really have to. It'll cook up just fine. Okay, we got a 1/2 cup of rice in each now. Let's add a 1/2 cup of frozen veggie. It's just a regular frozen veggie. It's got corn, peas, green beans, carrots in it. We're going to throw in a 1/2 cup of each one of those. And we're going to put that in on the rice side. On the rice side. Alrighty. Now let's just move our cutting board out of the way for the moment. Grab our vacuum sealer. Oh, you stand it. There we go. Alright. So on my vacuum sealer I have a moist or dry setting on it. I'm going to use the moist setting. Hopefully that will mean that it's not going to suck all the marinade out of that salmon. And set that to moist and vacuum seal. There we go. That's one. Get our second one in here. Oh, you stay open. There's 2 portions. All right, We're going to quickly pop those ones in the freezer so everything stays frozen. And we'll put together our cod. This is our lime chili cod. So again, we'll grab the tongs. One side of the bag we're going to put our fish. The rest of that sauce, split it evenly in amongst the two portions. And we'll finish up the other side, the rice side, the same way we did on the salmon. We'll get half cup of frozen vegetables. And a half cup of rice. And we can vacuum seal up these ones. So there we go, folks. 4 entrees to pack away and take with you on the road and heat them up in a rice cooker. That lowly rice cooker, I tell you, it can sure come in handy. So if these ideas work for you, you're traveling on the road and you maybe want to take some home cooking along with you, why not think about liking and subscribing and coming on back and checking out some of the other ideas that I have for some simple meals so you're taking home cooking along with you on the road. Thanks for stopping by the Thrifty Traveler's Kitchen, and I'll see you in the next one.